STX Cruise is set up for a day of fun with 2 benches up front, a cozy corner seating area in the stern, a swim ladder, and a standard bimini top to keep you protected from the sun all day long. STX's heritage design harkens back to the simple good looks that ignited the public's original love of pontoon boats. STX is the go-to model for those needing either an entry-level boat or one for smaller lakes and calmer waters. Both cruise and quad fish accommodate 7 to 10 people and feature our premium quality construction with an attention to detail and quality that you can literally feel. From the Fusion RA55 radio with matched 4 Fusion speakers to the Matrix 50 seat vinyl, the gauges, and the USB ports, the standard features just keep coming. To keep STX budget-friendly, it's offered with twin 25-inch pontoons, a choice of 2 feature packages, and just a few other options. STX highlight features include a Cadet 2 helm stand with full-gauge cluster and cup holder, a bronze stereo system featuring Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, heritage 90-degree front walls, a full vinyl floor, 25-inch pontoons, and a playpen boat cover.